For those of you who love spicy mutton, here's a recipe for you which is called the Hari Mirch Ka Maas. For that, I have 750 grams of mutton, which I'm going to marinate with 1.5 cup of yogurt, a teaspoon of cumin powder, and some salt to taste. Let's mix this well and keep it aside till we prepare the gravy. I'm going to heat 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. Oil is hot. Let's add 3 onions that are sliced and we're going to fry them till they are golden brown in color. The onions have browned well. Let's add the marinated meat. Now I'm going to reduce the flame and we're going to saute this for 2 to 3 minutes. Now let's cover this and let the meat cook in its own juices till it's done. So now after 45 minutes, this is how the curry is looking. And I can see the meat is off the bone, so that it's cooked now. Now we're going to add the rest of the ingredients. Now the cooking time of your meat also depends on the quality of meat that you buy, all right? So here I have about 15 green chilies, which I'm going to add, a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a tablespoon of garlic paste, and now just mix this well. So this dish is basically a dry dish. It does not have gravy, so I want to cook this till all the juices have been dried up well, and then we'll add the rest of the other ingredients. So I'm not going to make this too dry, so I'm going to quickly add the rest of the ingredients. A teaspoon of garam masala powder, some finely chopped coriander leaves. So I've added about half a cup of coriander, okay? Now let's shut the flame and then add juice of 1 lemon. And I'm going to mix this well. And remove it in a serving bowl. So you saw how easy it is to make the Hari Mirch Ka Maas. Do try this recipe, let me know, and keep watching Get Curried.